to understand something really big. Really big, I learned when it comes to my goals and dreams. I can either be a dum-dum. I can be smart. How many people like being smart? Like what people say, I'm smart. I eat dum-dum. I don't feel dum-dum. There you go. You gotta say it like this. You know what I'm saying? Look at 3 people talk and say, it's me. That's right, it's me. Now, when we got goals and dreams, I want you to remember this. We talked about this before. All right? It's your dream. It's your dum-dum. Don't nobody know your dream like you. Don't nobody know how bad you want it. But you, right? Watch this. Hold it. Back up, reach there. I eat dum-dum. I don't feel dum-dum. Now, go on and open up the bag. Now, hold on. You know what this is? This person right here represents your mind, your will. What's your dream? You said you want to be an engineer, right? You want to be a fashion designer? What you want to be, Terry? A chef? You want to? Who like to eat? If you like to eat regular pepper, say yum, yummy, yum. Do it again, say yum, yummy, yummy. I don't feel dum-dum. Sometimes we get our dreams from people that love on us. What y'all don't know is that Terry's dad is a chef. He cooks. I mean, he really cooks good, don't he, Terry? He's a great cook. And so when you get exposed to things, when people living in their dream and they're great, you're going to want to be great too. You're going to want to get in that bag. You see that? That's why it's so powerful for you to live your dreams, because people going to want to get in your bag. You see that? Y'all want people to get in your bag? Yeah? You want people to get in your bag? You see that? You can't be afraid to say, here I am. Now, I need a volunteer. Now remember, look, when you see somebody do something, you can do it too. Repeat after me, say, when I see him do it, I can do it too. Now watch this, you ready? Now, Nancy, what's your dream? Yeah, what's your dream? You want to be a mechanical engineer? Just like the other guy. Now watch this. Over here is your dream. Open up the bag. Y'all see right here, this is opportunity. Sometimes it's hard to get the bag open. You see that? Sometimes people fight to open up the bag. You can do it, open that bag up. Rip open the bag. When something is hard, what do you have to do? You have to ask for help. So what you gonna do? You hear that? Ask for help or try another way. So I'm gonna help you out. Yeah, watch this look. Whenever you do it, I grab it like this and I pull it right in his little piece. See that? Boom, it's nice and over there. Good. Go ahead and open it up. Look at it. Take one out. I eat dum-dums. I don't feel dum-dums. Do you see your dream? Now I want you to come on in here. Well, on the count of 3, I want you to walk towards your dream. I want y'all to pay attention, because you can have a dream and be way over there, your dream be way over here. Hold that dream, hold that back, hold the dream. You see that? We got your dream right here. You see your dream? How many people can see their dream, see somebody living their dream? Who see people living their dream doing what they want to do? You see that? It's a lot of us, y'all. But here's the thing. We got to have the courage to move towards the dream. If you just sit there, the dream will sit there, and somebody else will take that dum-dum. Somebody will take your dream. But what we do, y'all, I eat dum-dum. I don't feel dum-dum. Now, here you go, look. All right, now more people finna hold one in a minute. Hold it up high. You finna get it up. Repeat after me. Say, I won't be a dum dum. I'm gonna eat a dum dum. Hold it up. Say, I won't be a dum dum. You see that? You see that? You gotta work with it. You want to eat it. You want to experience your dream. So now watch this, y'all. On the count of 3, this dollar is going to move in the direction of their dreams. Y'all ready? Count to 3 with me. Y'all ready to go? 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on. Come get it. Oh, it is. Took it. I eat dum dums. I don't be a dum dum. Get one for you. Get 2 for you. Who want to do what this dog just did? Who want to eat the dog and say, I do? Okay. Who want to eat the dog and say, I do? Okay, now here's what we're going to do, guys. Because apparently, who's eating the dog right now? Only the people who actually got up and got one. Who's ready to get up and take action? Raise your hand. Okay, let me see. If you're ready to take action, stand up. Now, if you're ready to eat some dum dums, line up in front of me right here. Line up right here in front of me. Look at all these people ready to take action on their dream. You see that, guys? That's how it works. You can't be afraid to move when it's time to experience your dream. You see that? Look at all these people ready to experience their dream. You see that? You got to me say, I eat dum dums. I don't be a dum dum. This is your chance to be a leader. You understand? The bag is in your hand. Repeat after me. Say, I got the bag. You got the bag. What you got? That's right. That's right. Say, I got a bag of dreams. It's always going to be somebody in your life to help you to get to the bag. You got to know who that person that's living your dreams, who got the bag of your dreams. Well, step forward and get your dream, man. What's your name? What's your dream? Okay. All right. You got your dream. What's your name and what's your dream? You want to be a what? A lawyer. Okay, look at that. You see what's going on? There's people that's going to give you your dream. Come on up and say your name and your dream.
I'm nervous, so I want to be a psychiatrist.
All right, you see that? Boom. You got to go somewhere to get access to your dream. What's your name? What's your dream? All right, go ahead and reach out for it. Receive it. There you go. What's your name and what's your dream? You want to be a what? A YouTuber and a professional baseball player. That's right. What's your name? What's your dream? But Teo, we want to be a graphic designer. Get your dream, guys. Get your dream. What's your name? What's your dream? All right. She wants to be a lawyer. What do you want to be again? That's right. Remember that, world. What's your name and what's your dream? A famous child with yellow lip. Get your dream. Get your dream. What's your name? What's your dream? A famous musician. Get your dream, man. That's right. That's right. What's your name? What's your dream? All right. Get your dream. What's your name? What's your dream? Get your dream. Get your dream. What's your name? What's your dream? You want to be a what? A chemist. Okay, okay. Get your dream. Get your dream. Get your dream. What is it? A teacher. Get your dream. All right, get your dream, girl. What's your name? What's your dream? All right. 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 Look at that. Look at that. He said, what's your name? What's your dream?
A total mathematician and
Oh, what's your name and your dream? All right. Go ahead and tell us, spill the beans. What's your name? What's your dream? And what? A pilot, okay. What's your name? What's your dream? A what? A doctor? All right. Now, as you can see my forehead, hold your dream up high. Repeat after me. Say, I eat dominoes. I don't be a dum-dum. Cause they yum-yum in my mouth. Cause it's in my tongue. Yummy. Yummy. Go and eat it up. I eat dum-dums. I don't be a dum-dum.